Do you know that the global investment banking industry is valued at over $300 million? Yet, less than 2% of graduates actually make it into this field. अगर तुम high paying finance career का dream देख रहे हो, so this is where you can start. From Wall Street bonus to deal worth crore. Investment banking, it's not just a job. It's a power. And the best part is non-IIT and non-IIM can also crack it if you are trained in the right way. Welcome to the world of investment banking. In this video, I'll break down what exactly investment bankers done, who can become one, the salary curve, skill you need and how to get there, even without Ivy League tech. And yes, there's a 100% job assurance certificate program. I'll walk you through if you are interested in this career. So let's begin with the basics. Investment banking is all about helping companies, government and institutions raise capital, structure merger and acquisition, manage large financial deals and make strategic decisions. You are not just crunching numbers, you are cheating value in crores. You are the mind behind the major deals like Zomato IPO, Facebook acquisition of Instagram or LIC public listening. And this is not just corporate stuff. It's sharp nation, economy and career. Its intention, let's be real. You work with $1 million models, client presentation, financial analysis, and long meeting. High pressure, yes, but also high paying, high growth, and high learning. It's not a regular job. It's like two marathons, one for knowledge and another for skill. Anyone, commerce graduated, you are in. Engineer looking switch to finance, even better. CA, MBA, BCom, BBA, all valid. What matter more than degrees? Financial modeling skills, market understanding, Excel mystery, good communication, and crystal clear career intention. Investment banking isn't a single job. It's a universe of roles. Investment banking analyst, equity research analyst, risk analyst, portfolio manager, mergers and acquisition association, global market specialist, and more. One certificate can open these doors if it is designed in a right way. Now the part everyone loves, salary. Freshers in investment banking operation can earn anywhere from 6 LPA to 12 LPA. Within 3 to 5 years, that will grow into mid-manager roles crossing 20 to 25 LPA easily. Top IB role, 45 LPA plus. And we have actually seen learner get these through our program. This is where most people fail. They try random YouTube videos and overhyped courses. For expert HR things, hard work matters without skills. Here's what actually works. Certification recognized by top banks. Real world tool training. Boomerang, Python and Excel. Case study, mock and interview prep. And most important, guaranteed interview. The Certified Investment Banking Operational Professional program check all these boxes. And that's why it's backed with 100% job assurance. If you are serious about building your career where your work deal with crores, this is it. Check out the CIBOP program on the official website. You get 35 plus tools, live mentorship, real case studies, and yes, 10 plus guaranteed interview call. Link in description. Don't just watch, take action.